second. Don't go to first. I thought it might be a first gear, but leave it in second and see what happens.
Yep. Yeah, I did that time. Last time I didn't.
Stay tight in the wagon wheel and just gently start feeding.
Right.
This chick's having a hard time staying on course and all this stuff, so we're going to give her some extra time to make sure she doesn't make another lap back. This car is the nicest vehicle I've ever seen you in. I wouldn't want to do it. Although it would be funny if Mark got hurt in the accident.
So again, we're going to let her completely
I did a
finish
67 my first run. I don't know if that's good or not, but
That's good.
okay. Not great though, right?
Yep, that's not great, but it's a good. I think
Other than the rough start, she finished the rest of the
I think Speaks had a 63.
Yeah.
Good. Stay on it. You just don't need to get the car back over to the right like that. Good. Easy. Do it. Slow it down. Good. Don't bring the car back to the right. Just go straight in. Stay on it, straight in. Slow it down. Tuck. Do it. There you go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Well done. Okay, slow it down. Tuck hard. Don't let go of the wheel. What's wrong with you?
Oh, sorry.
Well done. Well done.
Leland comes across with
Better?
a 66.244.
Quit letting go of the wheel, man. You see what is happening when you do that? See how the car's jerking and you have to try to catch it back? Well done, though.